everyone. Good morning and namaskar. How are you all of you? Hope all of you fine and safe at home. First of all, and introduce yourself. I'm your Sammi ma'am. I'm taking English subject. I'm from Nevara Global Kids School. So before we start our class, we do prayer. So everyone, join your hands, close your eyes. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. So high, you can't get over it. So wide, you can't get near it. So wide, you can't get around it. Oh, wonderful love. God's wonderful love. God's wonderful love. Okay, everyone, close your eyes, rub your palms. Keep in your eyes, feeling fresh. So children, today we learn about alphabets. In alphabets are 26. So children, today we learn 4 alphabets, that is A, B, C, D. Okay children? So children, let me show you some flashcards of alphabets. A says a. A says a apple, a ant, a aeroplane. After A, our next letter is B. B says b. B says b. B ball, b boy, b bird, b boot, b bug, b bus, b beer. After B, our next letter is C. C says k. C says k. K cat, k cookie, k crayon, k cloud, k car. After C, our next letter is D. D says d. D says d. D duck, d door, d day. Dinosaur, d dog. After D, our next letter is E. E says a. E says a elephant, a eyes, a egg, a ear. After E, our next letter is F. F says f. F says F says fire, fish, frog, feet, flower. After F, our next letter is G. G says g. G says g. G girl, g grass, g glue, g go. After G, our next letter is H. H says h. H says h. House, horse, heel, hammer. After H, our next letter is I. I says E. I says E. E ink. E ice cube. E igloo. After I, our next letter is J. Jack. J says J. J says jack. Jump. Jacket. Jet. After J, our next letter is K. K says K. K says kite. Kettle. After K, our next letter is L. L says L. L says leaf, look, light. After L, our next letter is M. M says M says monster, mouse. After yam, our next letter is N. N says N says nose, night. After N, our next letter is O. O says O. O says O. O open. O octopus. O owl. After O, our next letter is P. P says P. P says P. P pan. P picture. P pig. After this, our next letter is Q. Q says quack. Q says quack. Quack queen. Quack quarter. After Q, our next letter is R. R says R. R says R. Rock. R. Run. R. Rain. R. Rainbow. After R, our next letter is R. Yes. Yes. Yes says S. Yes says snakes. Snails. Stomps. Sky. Socks. Snow. After yes, our next letter is T. T says T. T says T. Turtle. Tree. After tree, our next letter is U. U says U says umbrella. Up. After U, our next letter is V. V says V. V says Valentine. Van. After V, our next letter is W. W says V. W says web. Water. Wolf. Wet. Wood. After W, our next letter is X. X says X. X says X. Fox. X-ray. Box. After X, our next letter is Y. Y says ear. Y says ear. Ears. Yak. After Y, our next letter is Z. So children, Z says Z. Z says zebra. So children, I am doing here one activity. I am taking this A4 size paper and in the paper there is A. Okay children, I am sticking here the dots. See here children, like this. I am taking here dots and I am sticking here like this. Okay children. Like this. Okay. First one is slanting line, another slanting line. Okay children. And in the middle there is sleeping line. Okay. After A, our small letter A is come. Okay children. We should put it here some dots. See here children, like this. Okay. Like this. Like this. See here. Here also we put the dots. Left side half curve and one standing line. Okay children. See here, like this. After A, our next letter is B. B says B. So here first one is standing line and right side half curve, another right side half curve. So I am putting here the dots. See here, like this. Okay, children? Okay. And I'm putting here, sticking here the dots. Okay, like this. Then next B, small b, we put here the dots. Okay, children, like this. First is standing line and left side half curve. Okay, children, like this. Okay, and you put here the dots. You stick here. Okay, children, like this. See here. Like this. Okay, children. After B, our next letter is C. So here I am doing different. So I am dipping here the earbud in the color. And here I putting here dots like this. Okay. See here, so children, like this I am putting the dots. Like this. Okay. When is your color is over, you again dip the earbud in the color. Okay, children. After C, our next letter is D. And our next letter is C. Okay. And here also I am putting the dots. See here. Okay, like this. Are you enjoying that activity, children? Like this. Okay, children. After C, our next letter is D. D says D. First we have to put here dots. First one is standing line. Okay, children. And another left half side curve. Okay, like this. जब भी आपका कलर ख़त्म हो जाए तो फिर से हम इसको कलर्स में डॉट डुबोएंगे, फिर से वो आ जाएगा तो फिर ऐसे डॉट्स लगाएंगे चिल्ड्रन. ओके. एंड आफ्टर बिग डी our next letter is small d. Okay, children. First of all we draw here one standing line. Okay, children. Here like this. And right side half curve. Okay, children, like this. Are you enjoyed the activity up to A to D? So children, today we learn A, B, C, D. Thank you. Take care and namaskar.